Our next topic is enabling multi vendor environments. Let's get into the topic. One of the primary drivers for digital transformation is the desire to break vendor lock in and enable interoperable networks. In order to create multi vendor environments, increase vendor competition, and drive standardization, many CSPs look to open source technologies as a part of their transformation. Bringing the benefits of standardization to valuable technologies like NFV, software defined networking, and cloud native microservices, open source technology empowers service providers in several ways. Overcoming the limitations of proprietary vendor hardware, this community based innovation approach provides CSPs with the tools to control their network architecture and have the ability to continuously innovate in and on top of their network. This flexibility changes their relationship with their vendors while driving competition and, in turn, decreasing costs. CSPs reap secondary benefits from open source by providing a standardized foundation for hardened, differentiated vendor solutions. By leveraging open source solutions, vendors can turn their research and development resources to adding value to openly accessible platforms. Severing ties with legacy hardware solutions and turning to modern software based technologies is strengthened with open source in the right places of a next generation network architecture. Striking a balance between a foundation built on more modern, virtualized, and software driven architectures with existing legacy resources, which are often still worth billions of dollars of investment, remains a challenging task. One tool that delivers value in open source throughout a telco network stack is Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a lightweight container solution to run multiple applications on a single server with a shared operating system. With its own file system, memory, central processing unit, that is CPU, and process space, Kubernetes is decoupled from the underlying infrastructure, which makes creating and deploying services across the data center, core, and edge easier. Kubernetes is an important tool to enable the cloud native architectures that CSPs are building in their digital transformations. These microservices based environments require containers to help them run more reliably, recover more easily, and use resources more efficiently. Many enterprises today have built a robust on premises cloud like infrastructure using open source technologies such as Docker, Kubernetes, OpenStack, and OpenDaylight with OpenFlow, promising greater interoperability and flexibility across heterogeneous hardware. Here I conclude this topic. Hope you understand all the concepts clearly. Meet you in the next topic.
If you have any queries, please get in touch with us by typing your comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our videos. So what are you waiting for? Join us for the course and do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also, if you like our videos, don't forget to hit the like button and share our videos.